Hi, I bought this kit from the Block and Board Company so that I could clean and condition my cutting boards. I'm going to show you how to use these. There's soap, there's oil, and then there's a wax, and that's the order that you use them in. I've got this cutting board that you can see. It's actually clean, but it's very faded. It's dry, and it's kind of got these weird spots on it. So come along with me while I use this kit. Okay, I followed the directions on the bottle and I rinsed it with some cool water and then added the liquid soap, and I'm really working it into the wood to make sure that it's really clean, and then I'm going to rinse it off and let it dry. Now I'm adding the liquid oil and I'm working it into the grain of the wood as well, and going to let that set overnight, and then I'll wipe it off. Now I'm going to wipe off that oil. It's the next day, wiping off the oil from the night before, and then I'm going to do the wax step. So I'm going to get a clean, dry rag and I'm going to add the wax to it. And as you can see, it's much thicker than the soap and the oil. And so just working it into the grain of the wood, and you can really tell the difference side by side here. And after I've worked in the wax, I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Well, I'd say the result speaks for itself. I did the soap, the oil, and the wax on this side and not on this side, and you can definitely tell the difference. I recommend this set for the soap, the oil, the wax. Thanks.